Hi friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, UA Tech. So let's started the video. Infinix Note 12 VIP arrives with 120W charging, 120Hz screen and 108MP camera May 16, 2022 today. Infinix is breaking the 100W charging barrier with a new member of the Note 12 series. The phone also boasts a 120Hz display and a 108MP camera. Alongside it comes another model that will slot in just above the original Note 12. Infinix Note 12 VIP. Infinix Note 12 G96, the Infinix Note 12 VIP, supports 120W hypercharge. The 0 to 100% charging time is just 17 minutes, thanks to the dual charge pump setup. If you can't wait that long, a quick 10-minute top-up is good enough for 6 hours of gaming of 5 hours of streaming YouTube videos. Below is a chart that shows the steep charge curve used by the hypercharge system. Speed shouldn't be confused with haste, however. The 4,500 mAh battery is looked after by 103 protection features in the phone and charger, including 18 temperature sensors inside the phone. According to Infinix, the VIP's battery will retain 85% of its capacity after 800 charge cycles. The phone has a 6.7 AMOLED display with FHD and resolution, similar to the original Note 12 display, but noticeably more capable. This is a 10-bit panel with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and 120Hz refresh rate, plus 360Hz touch sampling rate. Another upgrade exclusive to the VIP is that the main camera on the back has a 108MP sensor, 1/1.67, 1.92 pixels after 9-in-1 pixel binning. Also new is the 13MP ultra-wide-angle camera as well as the laser AF system. The second new model for today is the Infinix Note 12 G96. It is named after the Helio G96, a 12nm chipset, 2X A76, 6X A55, Mali G57MC4. This same chip also powers the Note 12 VIP, but the VIP has better cooling with 9 layers of graphene plus a vapor chamber, while the Note 12 G96 has 10 layers of graphene and no chamber. Either way, the G96 will outperform the Helio G88 that is inside the regular Note 12. Chipset aside, the Note 12 G96 sticks close to the specifications of the original Note 12. This means that the 6.7 FHD and AMOLED display lacks a high refresh rate and 10-bit support. Also, the camera on the rear has a 50MP main sensor, 1/2.8, and a 2MP helper, no ultra-wide. Compared to the VIP, the battery is slightly larger, at 5,000 mAh, but slower to charge, 33W. The two new Note 12 models have 16MP selfie cameras and XOS 10.6 software, based on Android 12. Also, both have 8GB of real RAM and can enable 5GB of virtual RAM. And while both have dual speakers with DTs, only the VIP has dual X-axis linear motors for superior haptic feedback. The Infinix Note 12 VIP will be available soon in select regions at $300. You can visit the official site, which will guide you to a store near you. The Infinix Note 12 VIP is available in Cayenne Gray and Force Black. The Infinix Note 12 G96 will sell for $200. More details at the official site. Thanks for the watching. Tata, Bibi.